Hello everybody, so I am cleaning up a bunch of boots that I got at a haul a couple weeks ago. Today I'm going to show you a couple ways that I'm cleaning up these boots, and the first issue that I'm coming into contact with is the Goodwill Sharpie on the bottom of boots. So what I'm using to clean off this smooth surface, as you can see on these boots, is Goo Gun. So I just use, we've had this forever, so it's probably like an older label. So I'm just show you real quick how well it works. So spray it on my towel. And then just go in. Apply a little bit of pressure. And then wipe it off real quick. And then there's a little bit right here. Let me rub that off. As well. And as you can see, it takes the Sharpie right off. Another way that I clean boots or anything that has little grooves in the soles is just take a small little toothpick. So you just get in there, pop them off. So I'll keep doing that to get them clean. After that, these boots also have a little bit of a scuff on the heel right there. I have a few different products that I'm still testing to try to see which one I like best. The ones that I've used before are just a local, it's called Brickmore Bic 4 leather conditioner, and it's just, I bought this at my local like cowboy boot store, western store. It is conditions, cleans, polishes, and protects. And I do the same thing, just put that on a cloth and get to working it in the leather. Now these are real leather, so you do want to test it in areas to make sure that it doesn't give you the result that you don't want or aren't expecting. So this is the before, and I'll get to working on it and come back and show you what the result is. Okay, I'm back with these shoes. I have them all conditioned up. You can see that the toe is not as scuffed anymore. There's a slight little scuff right there, but that can be fixed with cleaner. And then get to the heel where it was really scuffed on the inside. Got that all buffed out. Looking good, shiny. So that was using this, and I also put it all over the rest of the boot just to give it a little conditioner. And this boot is ready to go.